have a very nice tiger picture in which the stripes of the tiger we are going to cover with tea leaves, which is a very unique way of doing our picture. So are you excited for it? Come on, I'll tell you how to do it. To start with the activity, first let me tell you the material that is required to do the picture. Number 1, we need glue. Number 2, we need tea leaves and oil pastels. Now, how to start with the activity? Just look at how I am working. Observe me nicely. So there are a lot of stripes given to us where we need to put the glue. I'll just do one stripe. And put tea leaves over it. I'll wait for it to dry. And remove the tea leaves. See, our stripe is done. But I think we should first color our picture and then we will be doing the stripes. So, to color our tiger, I will be needing oil pastels and a few shades of yellow and orange, obviously. I'm leaving the stripes and filling in the color. I am using yellow ochre. You can use any color of your choice. Leaving the stripes. I am filling in the entire body with yellow ochre. You can definitely use any color of your choice. You can use brown, orange or any other yellow. I am using the colors first so that in the end we can put our tea leaves and let our picture dry. But if we'll use the tea leaves first, it will be difficult for us to color the picture afterwards. That is why I am using the oil pastels to cover my picture first. Make sure you do not leave any white spaces left. You can even use pencil colors or wax crayons to color your picture. I am using oil pastels because I am more comfortable with it. Doing the background coloring as well. See how I'm shading. I am first using green, and on top of that I will be using yellow, blending the color nicely into each other. Okay, while we're doing the activity, tell me one thing. Where do we find tigers? And also, who is the national animal of our country? Yes, you got it right. Tiger is the national animal of our country and he is found in the jungles. I am mixing green and blue to make a turquoise sort of a color which is given here. You can use any color of your choice. Turquoise color is made by mixing green and blue. I love mixing colors, so I am giving it a different look over here. I am done with the coloring part of my picture, and now comes the most interesting part, that is sticking the tea leaves. So let's begin. Be very patient while applying the glue. You can also use a paintbrush to apply your glue. Be very patient while applying the glue. I'm repeating this because this is the main thing that you need to take care of. Let it dry. Moving forward, coming to the limbs, smaller areas. Doing it for the entire front leg. And now applying the tea leaves. Make sure no parts are left. So once you are done, I'll just remove the extra tea leaves inside the cup. See, this is how the final picture will look like. Moving to the next. I'll be doing the tail now. Let it dry for a minute. And then try to remove the extra tea leaves. Now, this limb and a few strokes of the body are left. We'll be doing that in one go. I'll wait for it to dry. And once we are done, I'll remove the excess tea leaves. And we are done with our tiger.
Wow, how lovely this tiger looks. I hope you enjoy doing this unique and a very different activity. I'll see you in the next class with more fun and exciting activities. Till then, bye-bye and happy learning.